Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Prabhupada 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 Srila Prabhupada Vasana, Vasana, Vasana.
May I know your name, Prabhuji?
Shyam Rasidas.
Shyam Rasidas. Thank you.
Shopping was nidravenga.
ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरञ्जस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु
नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
You'll be translating because English. English is okay?
Okay.
We were having our Bhagavatam class in the morning, and at Ahobala Narasimha, we were seeing how all the shastras that come to us, they come to us in the form of conversations. So, some great personality is asking question, some other great personality is giving answers. This is how we have Bhagavad Gita, this is how we have Bhagavatam, this is how we have Chaitanya Charitamrita, this is how we have all the scriptures. If we read Ekadashi Mahatmya also we have Yudhishthira Maharaj asking questions and Lord Krishna replying. And that is how Ekadashi Mahatmya comes. So, the importance of good questions and in a humble spirit of inquiry is what is the basis of a receptive heart that is conducive for accepting devotional service. And in these conversations we see many twists and turns. If we see Bhagavad Gita, there are many twists in Bhagavad Gita. If we see Bhagavatam, there are many twists in Bhagavatam. The first twist in Gita is Arjuna says, I won't fight. There's a big twist. Arjuna Vishadi Yoga itself. Yes. So he says, so 1.46, Eva Muktva Arjuna Sankhya Rathopasthopa Vishat Visrujya Sasharam Chapam Shoka Samvigna Manasa. So he gave up his Gandiva, he is like in a Vishada Mudra, and he is saying, I won't fight. This is the first twist. The second twist of Bhagavad Gita is 2.7, when Krishna surrenders to Arjuna. So Arjuna surrenders to Krishna. Karpanya dosho upahat svabhavan prichhami tvam dharma sammudha cheta. Yachreyasya nishchadam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapanna. So this is the second twist wherein friend is accepting another friend as spiritual master. Then we have another important twist in Bhagavad Gita in the 6th chapter when Dhyana Yoga is being described, and towards the end of Dhyana Yoga, when Krishna has related the qualities and the aspect of how to become Yoga Rudha. So Krishna says at the stage of Ashtanga Yoga there are two kind of yogis, Yoga Rurukshu and Yoga Rudha. Yoga Rurukshu is someone who is progressing on the path of devotional service. Yoga Rudha is someone who has already progressed on the path of devotional service. And he explains the characteristics, qualities and the ways and means to achieve that Yoga Rudha stage. And after Krishna has explained everything, Arjuna has a doubt. Arjuna says that all that you have spoken, it appears very nice to hear, but I know I will not be able to follow because my mind is not in my control. And then that famous shloka, Chanchalam himana Krishna pramati balavadridham tasyaham vigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. That, oh my dear Lord, my mind is very unstable, it is flickering, it is obstinate, and I am not able to keep it at one place. I am powerful enough to control the flowing wind, but I am not capable of controlling my flowing mind. Or not flowing, rather flying mind. And then Krishna has this, the remedy to the problem. Asamshayam mahabaho mano durnigraham chalam abhyasenuta kaunteya vairagyena cha grahyate. So Krishna gives a 2-point formula. That asamshayam mahabaho mano durnigraha. The mind is definitely very difficult to control and obstinate it is. But then you have two ways. Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grahyate. It is not that it cannot be controlled, it can be controlled. Abhyasa and vairagya. So then Krishna further describes this, and Arjuna again has a doubt. He says, my dear Lord, what if someone follows to come back to you all throughout his life, but at the fag end of his life, at the last breath, he is not able to remember you? So then such a person's ultimate destination is like the destination of a riven cloud. He is formed, but as the wind pleases, it is taking him. So because he wanted to attain you, he didn't enjoy this material world. And finally he is not able to remember you, he is not able to go back also. So he is like Dhobika Kutta na Ghar ka na Ghat ka. He is neither here nor there. And then this is a major twist in Bhagavad Gita. So Krishna says that, oh my dear child, Krishna says. So, nahi kalyan krit kaschit durgatim tat gacchati. So he says that anyone who has done any kalyana means any progress on the path of coming towards me. That is what Krishna calls as kalyan. What is kalyan? Any progress towards Krishna is kalyan. So nahi kalyan krit पार्थ नहीं न एव इह न अमुत्र विनाशस्तस्य विद्यते नहीं कल्याण कृत कश्चित् दुर्गतिं तात गच्छति. So Arjuna's query is, he is neither successful here nor successful there. Krishna says na eva na eva iha na amutra vinashastasya. He is successful here also and there also. Arjuna says he is neither successful here nor successful there. Krishna says in that immediately when Arjuna asks this, immediately, oh no, you are wrong, my dear Arjuna. He is most successful here, he is most successful there. Nahi kalyanakrit kaschit durgatim tat gacchati. If someone is someone is endeavoring to come to me and he becomes a dhobika putta, then why am I sitting here? फिर मेरा इधर बैठना किस काम का? Why am I the supreme personality of Godhead? If I cannot protect my devotees, why am I here then? So nahi kalyanakrit kaschit durgatim tat gacchati. That tat word acharyas give lot of emphasis. Tat means oh my dear son. So the twist here is that in second chapter, when Arjuna accepted Krishna as the spiritual master, we see Krishna in one sense chastises Arjuna. Yes, वो कहते अरे नपुंसक बन गए, युद्ध नहीं कर रहे, what is this? क्लैब्यम माम स्मगम पार्थ नैतत्वयि उपपद्यते क्षुद्रम हृदय दौर्बल्यम त्यक्त्वा उत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. Yes, he says, give up this miserly weakness rising from the flickering, unstable heart and get up and fight. So, do your duty without expectation of result. And here, Krishna is taking the role of a guru. But when Arjuna asks this question, immediately Krishna's heart melts. And he gives up the position of guru and he accepts the position of father. He says Tata. Tata means oh my dear son. So traditionally father and guru are same. In the sense like guru is also like fatherly personality. Father is also one of the gurus, the first guru. Yes. So nahi kalyanakrit kaschit durgatim ta. Here we have the change of paradigm. Krishna from a teacher, he takes the role of a father. And then he explains. So this comes from section 6.40 to 6.47. It's a very beautiful, heart-rendering conversation. He says for someone who has gone a little ahead on the path of devotional service, so for him, he will enjoy in the heavenly planets for a long time. Ushinam Shashwati Sama Shrimatam Gehe Shuchinam Shrimatam Gehe Yoga Bhrashto Vijayate. So somebody who is a Bhrashta yogi for a long Shashwati Sama, as if time doesn't end, that much he will enjoy. And then he'll come back in a very aristocratic family so that he does not have to endeavor for his roti, kapada and makan. Or otherwise he says somebody who has gone far on the path of devotional service, he is given chance to come back in a devotee family. And Krishna says, Loke durlabhataram janmam idrisham. That this kind of birth is very, very rare, because right from the womb of his mother, that child is hearing the holy names of Lord. So the path of devotional service is glorious. And our master who we have chosen is all the more glorious. What is required is we keep having faith, we persevere, we have patience. Yes. So if we persevere, if we have patience, if we have faith, then Krishna says that there is no power in this material world that can stop us from going back home, back to Godhead. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Once again, thank you and Mataji for inviting us so lovingly here. Yes. Very, very honored to come amidst all of you and spend a little time purifying by this.
Thank you very,
Thank you very
much, Prabhuji, once again, because you all came here and you gave some little lecture for us. It is very useful for us. So please take some prasada. Sagar Prabhu told me that please prepare prasadam for our devotees who are coming from Goa. He told me that that's why we preparing prasadam, some dry prasadam also. Please take for it.
Tomato.
Sagar Prabhu told me that before also we prepare tomato pickle for you. He bought a pickle for you. Then you told with him it's very nice.
Yes. Of the four, two all double.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
This is as much heavy as my weight.
అందరూ రండి
7:20 Prabhu time. వెళ్ళండి మాతాజీ లెమన్ ఫస్ట్ తీసుకో. ఇది నెత్తినాయన నేను తీసుకుంటాను అడ్డు ఈ చేత పట్టుకో ఫోన్ ఫోన్ ఇట్లా పట్టుకో.
ఎవరైనా ప్రసాదం తీసుకుని వాళ్ళు After he is our guru.
by getting ready home.
Before 2 years.
And since long, 10 years. I'm married for how many years? 14 years.
From 4 years to
ఇక్కడ
from 4 years. Before I went for selling my things.
మంచి మంచి బాగున్నా మామ బజ్జో బజ్జో తీయనండి పడుకో 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 పడుకో
We are inspired by Prabhupada. Being in such a small village, we are actually practicing. Even when guests are right, we are perfectly meditating. This is you also please miss. And you keep serving. You keep giving blessings, you keep giving care. Your good name. Precious. Your son. Only one girl. How old you are? 10 years. Good standard. Yeah, stay carefully.
Yes.
Parents, not only
Yes, we'll mediate them.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण।